Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I got a discount voucher in another Happy Meal that I got earlier in the month, so I went on to Love Crafts and I used it and I got 10% off the yarn that I've got. That's the one that I used, and I got myself some yarn, and I've got myself some Red Heart yarn because I love Red Heart yarn. I've got some darker colours, some more adultish colours, I'm going to say. They're not baby pastels, so they're a little bit darker in shade. I'll get my scissors and we'll open up this parcel. I've got this, it's quite a sort of large part. It's stuff full, I went a little bit mad. But with the people who've been donating on my fan and supporters page, it's called Coffee. I'll leave a link underneath. It helps my channel out and it keeps my channel running. It does cost, anyone who has a YouTube channel will know that it does cost to keep it running and upload as much as I do, and especially for yarn, keeping the, I nearly cut that in half, especially keeping the yarn fresh, if you know what I mean, using different shades of yarn and different colours. So anyway, thank you so much for all your coffee donations and buying me a cup of coffee. So every little bit helps to run the channel in one way or another, and I want to thank everyone for doing that. It's been really great. So anyway, let's just get on with this. Now I didn't get very much of this. Oh, there's the grey one. There's a silver grey. I think I only ordered like 2 of those maybe, I think, because it's still winter here. Even though we're in February, it's still cold. February and March are the coldest. I've just broke my nail, my goodness. Oh no, I can get my file and file my nail. I'm trying to grow them back up again. Oh dear. Anyway, so what a dilemma. Oh my goodness. Now I've got this Red Heart soft yarn. This is really soft. It reminds me very much of like a school grey. It makes beautiful cardigans and jumpers if you knit and crochet, especially if you knit your own school jumpers for your children. Then this stuff is ideal. It is really soft. It's exactly what it says on the packet. This is Red Heart soft. It's a 100-gram ball. There's 167 meters in this ball. It's a beautiful grey. There's no colour name on it, it's just a number. It's 0012. That is the number on this one. It is beautiful. It's 100% acrylic, I think. Now there's a little line because I think there's a pattern. Sometimes there's patterns underneath the labels, and not this time, but if you go on to Red Heart's website, there is hundreds of free patterns that you can download for free, either onto your phone or onto your laptop or your computer. There's lots. That is really pretty. Now I think that pattern would be available on their website. It's worth having a look, and I'll leave a link underneath to Love Crafts as well. A lot of people like to go and have a look where I get yarn from. This is 100% acrylic. That's all it says about that in different languages. It's made in Turkey. This is, now it's not even, I think this is Aran. I'm sure when I ordered it, this is Aran. It doesn't actually say on it. Usually there is a weight, it's weight 4, so it is Aran. In the USA, Aran is, our Aran in the UK is a weight 4 in the USA. Oh, silly me, look, it says Aran there. Would have been better if it was up here, wouldn't it? But anyway, there's this beautiful grey. I got 2 of those grey ones. I'll pop them there. There's 100 grams in each ball. And I got some of this beautiful turquoise lilac colour. I think I've got 3 of those. I'm sure it was 3, and because it was, a lot of it was on sale, I just mixed and matched the amounts that I got. Now this is Aran as well. It's a 4 weight. This is Aran. I love using Aran yarn. 100 grams, 167 meters. Teal. The colour was this one is teal. The number is 00008 for this one, and I've got 3 of those. I'm going to pop them there. Then I've got these ones. Oh, this one's getting a bit sort of messy. I've got, oh, did I get 3 of those? I'll put that there. I've got these ones. Now this one is ice blue. This one is ice blue, and it's a Aran yarn again. And the number for this is 00007, and that is a beautiful blue. This one is absolutely gorgeous. It's so soft as well. It's really soft. Now those ones were $1.99. These ones were $1.99 each. There is, I've got some of this Red Heart Lisa. Now this is £1.15. This is 50 gram balls. This one, it's a double knitting, and this is a really beautiful lilac, and this one was £1.15 a ball. Those ones were $1.99, and that is a better buy actually, because these ones are 100 grams and this one's 50 grams, but it's so pretty. The colour number for this one is 05691, and look at that lilac. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's really soft. The Red Heart Lisa is soft, but these soft ones are softer. These ones are much softer, those ones. So I think I got 4 of that one. There's 1, 2 and 3 and a 4. There'll be a receipt a little way at the bottom of it. So I got 4 of that. That's really pretty. And the next one is this burgundy. I got this Red Heart Lisa. These are the little 50 grams of so it's a sort of burgundy pink colour. Let's find the colour number is 05690 for that beautiful plum colour. And I've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 of those. I got 4 of those. Look at those colours. They're absolutely beautiful. Been bashed around in that bag a little bit by the looks of it. I'll pop them over there, because the last ones I got 5 of these. I got 5 of these ones. Look at this one. This is a burgundy red, and it's your Red Heart soft, and this really is soft. The number for this is 00004 for that one, and they are absolutely beautiful. Now, even though they were $1.99, I got my 10% voucher off. So I got my voucher off of those ones. I'll just shove those over there. These ones, that voucher didn't work with anything that was on sale. The voucher worked with the ones that were the full price, and these were $1.99. So that's what look at this. Look at these colours. They're absolutely beautiful. They're beautiful. So that's my bag empty. That's my bag empty, and I can give that to Motley now. I can put that down there for Motley, and I'll get this packed away. So soft, it's beautiful. It really is. Can't stop squidging it. It's good for your hands. I got Motley growling at me because he wants the bag to play with. But anyway, if you haven't subscribed, thank you to all the people who've been donating on my coffee page. I'll leave a link underneath. I'll leave a link to Love Crafts as well if you want to use it. Doesn't matter if you don't, but they've always got sales on, and February, you're coming up with Valentine's Day. There's usually always a sale around that time as well, and you may still get the tail end of the January sale even though it's February. They've always got a sale on. They've always got reductions. They've always got good deals on. Anyway, I'll leave a link underneath the video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, then please subscribe to the channel. and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. And look at these, they're absolutely beautiful.